Jinx. I'm right in the middle of Makati and I am at the Pasig River. So I don't know how much closer to the middle of the city you can get, but here I am and I'm going to try my little drone here and see if it's possible to fly in the city of Manila. I read up on the drone laws here and it seems that the laws here seem a little bit more relaxed than say other countries like Australia for sure, and even Malaysia. So I'm gonna give that a go here and we'll see what happens. If I'm thrown in jail, probably my next video is going to be from there. So if you want to see me vlog from jail, like and subscribe. It's a pretty busy street, so I'm kind of nervous actually flying here, but we'll see how it goes. I'm happy to say that I was able to fly my drone here with no problems at all, no cops coming to throw me in jail. However, there's a height limit of 150 meters above which you're not supposed to fly. And that's because I noticed later that there was a city helicopter, I guess one of those traffic helicopters that was going around checking out the traffic, perhaps maybe to report to the radio station or the newsroom. So yeah, it was flying pretty much at that altitude, or not too high above that. So I'm glad I didn't fly that high and potentially cause an international incident between Malaysia and the Philippines. I'm not so scared to fly the drone here in the middle of the city of Manila, any more so than having to cross this street right here. Yeah, well, okay, I guess that's all for the video.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you didn't like this video, please like and subscribe.
So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.